Take a look at how much I've made right here on this platform called CPAGrip. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the strategies which I use in making such amount right here. And guys, you want to make sure you do watch this video right here to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a bonus tip right here at the end of this particular video. So make sure you do stick on and watch to the end, because this video is going to be a beginners friendly strategy right here which you can easily use to start getting about $150 each and every single day with CPA marketing. So first of all, what you want to do is to head onto the CPAGrip.com, and if you do head onto this platform, you want to make sure you do go on to registering for an account. If you don't have one, click on register. You want to be brought to this page right here and just simply go on to filling out this form appropriately. You want to come right here to this section which is for publisher type, and either select the website/incense or the GPT, as that will actually help you get your account approved almost immediately. You could read through the terms of services, and once you're done, agree to that right here by checking out these boxes right now, and then go on to clicking on register. You could then just simply log into your account and be brought to a dashboard such as this. Right now, you want to just simply go onto the monetization tool section or the offer tool section right now. Click on my offers, and if you do that right here, guys, you'll be shown offers right here which you could go on to promoting. I'm just going to select offers to any country of my choice. Supposing I want to select an offer to the United States, I'm going to select that right here in this country section, and you can see that these are actually offers which I can actually start promoting to this demographic right now. And if I do go on to selecting this offer right here, which is actually an email and zip submit offer, you can see more details to this offer. I can then just simply go on to checking out the payout to this offer, which is $1.45. It's an email and zip submit offer, and I can then just simply copy my unique affiliate link to go on to promoting this offer right now. And to promote this offer, guys, you want to just simply head on to this platform which is called the site.google.com or the Google sites to actually do go on to creating a landing page. And right now you want to just simply come right here, click on this blank icon, and actually start creating your landing page right here from scratch. So right now, once this page actually loads up, you want to just simply hover around this section right here where you'll be able to see this delete icon right now. And if I just select delete right here, that section will be deleted. I can then just simply go on to add in a text box right now. And if I do add in a text box, I'm just going to type in something like claim your food stamp support, and this is actually similar to what is right here on CPAGrip. You could copy that, head on to this platform right here which is called the Google site, and actually do go on to pasting that in right here. And also make sure that this is actually quite aligned right now, because you can use this section to go on to align it properly. Make sure this is bold right here, and do go on to using this right now. So if this is actually aligned, I can then just simply go on to inserting a text box also, and I'm just going to drag in this text box right here. If I do drag into this particular section, I can then just simply go on to add in the text right now. And for that text, I'm just going to add in something like this which says complete a simple task, which is actually the survey and email submit. And if I actually do put in something like this right now, guys, this is actually going to be cool right here, which I can then just simply go on to inserting my image. And if I do click on insert image, I'm just going to go on to clicking on select right now, and I can then just simply go on to the Google images. And since this particular offer is related to food, I'm just going to go on to searching for food right now, and I'll be able to see a lot of food items or food images right now which I can take advantage of. If I just select this particular image right here and do go on to clicking on insert right now, in a matter of some seconds, this image will be inserted right now. I can then just simply go on to maybe increasing the size to this particular image right here. If I do successfully increase the size right now, as you can see right now, this is how it's going to look like. I can also go on to add in a text box right here at the bottom and type in something such as this right here, which says the first 50 people can enter this giveaway. Hurry, only 10 entries left. And this actually do puts in a limit for people that can actually do gain access to this giveaway right now. And guys, you want to just simply go on to coming right here to this button section, click on button, and for your button you want to just simply type in something like claim now or claim here. And right now for this link text, you want to just simply go on to putting in the link to your CPA marketing offer. If I copy my CPA marketing offer link, I'm going to head back to this particular page and paste in that particular link in there. that is in this particular section. Once that has been pasted, click on insert right now, and I can then just simply go on to dragging this to this section right here. As you can see, this is how this actually looks like. Now once this is actually done, I can then just simply go on to clicking on publish and actually do go on to looking for a worthy name right now, or a worthy domain name for this particular landing page. So once you do select one that is actually available right now, you could then just simply go on to clicking on save or publish right here. As you can see, this is not actually available right here, so I'm just going to go back right here by clicking on cancel, and I can then just simply come right here, click on publish, and do go on to selecting a cool website right here, or a website domain. And if you do go on to clicking on publish right here, your page will be published. You can then just simply come right here to this section, click on this copy link, and you'll be able to see the link to your CPA marketing offer right now right here, or your landing page. And you can then just simply try as much as possible to drive traffic to that. To drive traffic to that, you want to just simply head on to this platform called the truesweepstakes.com, and on this platform, guys, you can actually do go on to checking out a lot of offers right here which are available on this platform. And guys, about 40% of these offers are actually from this exact same platform right now. And you can then just simply go on to posting your ads among this particular platform, or promoting your CPA marketing offer among this platform right here by just simply going to clicking on join. The join icon will be somewhere around here right here, and once you do join, you can then just simply go on to logging into your account. And if you do log into your account right here, guys, you can actually do see a lot of stuff right here where you just want to come right now and click on submit. If you do click on submit right here, guys, it's actually going to take you to this particular page where you just want to fill out these details. For this sweepstake title, you could use in the same title as in CPAGrip right now. And if I do go on to maybe CPAGrip and copy this exact same title right now, I'm just going to head back to this platform and do go on to pasting that right there. So right now, for this link to entry URL, you want to just simply copy the URL to your landing page right here. If I do copy the URL, I'm going to head back to this page and actually go on to posting that right now. For the price value, you want to just simply leave that as it is. For the category, guys, it's quite important that you do select a cool category right there. And I'm just going to select the food and drink category. You could set an end date which you want your ad to actually stop running right there. And right now, guys, for the eligibility, you want to make sure that this is actually directed towards the United States right now. And guys, you could just simply come right here and select an age limit. Select the age of majority. For this entry methods, you could select the sign up form and actually do go on to inserting your description right here before you can then just simply go on to registering for this particular platform right now and get a lot of leads to your CPA marketing offer by doing so. So try as much as possible to actually come onto the bottom section. Once you are done editing that top section, click on submit sweepstake, and your sweepstake will actually be listed among the top ones right there on this particular platform. So once you're actually done with these, guys, you can actually then go on to promoting your offer on this platform, and you can actually do go on to taking advantage of this bonus right here, which is to head on to Google and search for the site like. And if you do search for site like, you can see the first option right here. If I do click on that option, I'll be able to go on to pasting a link right here for this particular platform. So I'm just going to go on to this particular person right now, or this particular website right now. I'm just going to copy the website address, and if I do copy the website address, I'm going to head back to the site like and actually do paste that in right here before I can then just simply go on to clicking on search. And if I do click on search right now, guys, I'll be able to see a lot of free ad platforms right here which you could take advantage of right now and start making money right here. So you want to just simply try as much as possible to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers on as many platforms as you can. Then you can actually start making some cool cash doing so. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, simply go to smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell was turned on all. So see you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.